How to take care of plants at home. Welcome to today's video. In this guide, we will talk about simple and effective ways to take care of your plants at home. First, let's start with sunlight. Every plant needs light to grow, but the amount varies. Some plants love direct sunlight, while others prefer indirect or filtered light. Make sure you know the needs of each plant and place them in the right spot. Next is watering. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes in plant care. Always check the soil before watering. If the top inch of soil feels dry, it is the right time to water. For indoor plants, use a pot with proper drainage to avoid root rot. Soil is another important factor. Good quality soil with the right nutrients helps plants grow strong and healthy. For potted plants, choose a well-draining mix suited to the type of plant you are growing. Fertilizing is also essential. Plants need extra nutrients during their active growing season. Use a balanced fertilizer once or twice a month, but be careful not to over-fertilize, as this can damage the roots. Humidity and temperature matter too. Many indoor plants come from tropical climates and prefer warm, humid conditions. You can mist the leaves or place a water tray nearby to increase humidity. Don't forget pruning. Remove dry or yellow leaves and trim back overgrown stems. This not only keeps your plant looking neat, but also encourages new growth. Lastly, keep an eye on pests. Check the leaves regularly for tiny insects or spots. If you notice any, treat them quickly with natural remedies or mild plant-safe sprays. Taking care of plants is not difficult. With the right balance of light, water, soil, and attention, your plants will thrive and bring life to your home. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant care tips.